morning children. Today class 1 we are doing third lesson, plants give us food. So children, we have done last time also about food, plants. Plants are very important to us. I hope you are growing plants, or whatever plants are there near your house, please put some water for it. When it is raining heavily or rainy season, you don't have to put much water. But remaining other season when it doesn't rain, please put some water and see that the plant grows well. So children, today we are going to learn what things we get from the plants. We get different things from plants, and the most important food we get from plants. So this type of food you get: cereals, vegetables, spices and fruits. So what are the cereals? Most of the food we eat, it always comes from the plants. Yes children, this we have done in the second chapter also. So we get food grains from the plants. Food grains are called cereals. So cereals means it is food grains. So this we get from plants. Food grains. So what are the food grains you will get? The most common food grain which you eat is rice. Yes, everybody eats rice. Then you eat wheat. Yes, you make a lot of chapati and so many other things with wheat. So main important, and definitely you will be eating corn also. Yes children. So we are getting so many common cereals: rice, wheat, corn and so many more cereals are there, which is very important for us, and we get this from the plants. So children, rice, wheat and corn are some common cereals which you are already having. So these you are eating daily. Yes or no? So many people are eating rice, some people are eating wheat, and corn and some other things are already very important for your health. We are eating now the second part, the vegetables. What do you get? Vegetables also you get from plants. So what are the vegetables? Some plants give us vegetables. Just like the cereals, you get vegetables also from plants. We get vegetables from the plant from the different parts of the plant. So you can say we get vegetable from the roots of the plant, we get vegetable from the stem also, from the leaves also and from the fruits also. So these are the variety of things which you get from the plants. So tomato, that's the fruit part. Brinjal, that's the fruit part. The potato, that's the root. The carrot, that also is a root. So you are eating a different part of the plant. So you get vegetables. These vegetables are very commonly known to you. Even lady's finger, cauliflower, then cucumber, all these are growing on the trees, on the plants. These are the vegetables you get from plants. So I'm sure everybody has seen even the flower also. You're eating the flower also. Yes, the cauliflower. I'm sure you'll be remembering cauliflower also. Then lady's finger, you know lady's finger, very favorite of everybody because mummy fries it up very lot for you, and it might be your favorite also. So these vegetables and still some more vegetables are there. I'm sure you have eaten different varieties of vegetables. So we get cereals also and vegetables also from the plants. Now next we come across is the spices. Yes. You will not eat a vegetable or something which is very bland. That means it is not having spice or anything. Yes or no? Mummy will be putting some masalas over it. Yes? Yeah. Those are called spices. So spices are very important to make your food very tasty. I'm sure your mummy will be making nice biryani also for you. She'll be making nice curry. It will be smelling very nicely and tasting very nicely. Yes. The spices, they are very important to make your food very flavorful. So you get spices, then it is making your dish very tasty. I'm sure you will know the names of the spices. This is very important for us. So some plants give us spices. We get this from plants only. So we get spices also from different parts of the plant. So sometime it is the fruit, sometime it is the stem part, sometime it is the leaves. Yes. Spices make a food tasty and they smell good. Yes. So what are the most common spices you will be eating? The most important is chili. Yes. If the chili is correct, it is very tasty. But if the chili is more very spicy, correct? So the spices are very important. You get chilies. These are the fruits of the chili plant. Then you get turmeric. This is also very important. Turmeric is yellow in color. Mummy will be making the whole rice yellowish color. So turmeric is very important. This is a root which is growing inside the ground of the plant. So this is the root part. Then you have coriander. Coriander also everybody knows. Kothmir. coriander. It grows on the top of the, that means you are eating the stems and the leaves of the plant. So this is the root, the chili is the fruit. Then you have ginger. I'm sure you know ginger also very well. This also is the root part of the plant. It grows inside the ground. Then you have clove, pepper. These also help your food to become very tasty. Coriander, ginger, clove, pepper. Ginger also grows under the ground. Clove and pepper grow as small fruits, the black color cloves. Then lavangam and pepper, miriyalu, yes, black pepper, kali miri. These are very important to make your food very tasty. So mummy will be putting so many things. These are the most common spices which you get from plants. They are very important to make your food very tasty and smell very good. Yes, children? So we have finished the cereals, the vegetables and the spices. Now we come and talk about the fruits. Yes, children? You can see the different type of plants. Chili plant, turmeric plant, coriander. Where you get that coriander from? Ginger, clove, pepper. All these spices you can see that some plants give us fruits. The most important thing, fruits. And this is available everywhere. You'll be buying the fruits also. So different fruits have different colors, sizes, shapes and taste also. So some will be red color like the apple, some will be orange color like the orange fruits, some will be green like the green grapes. So they'll be in different colors, different sizes also, different shapes also and taste also. Some will be very sweet tasty, some will be sour and some will be very light and mild taste also. So I'm sure you have eaten all the different varieties of fruits by now, children. So the first most important fruit everybody will be eating is mango. Yes, favorite of everybody, the king of fruits, mango. Then the most common fruit, banana. This also everybody has tasted, I'm sure. Then you must have tasted guava also. Very important it is. It is very healthy for you. Then grapes. This is also green in color. This is yellow. This is whitish with a yellow skin. This is guava, green color. This is also grapes, green color. Then you have orange. You have papaya. So children, you have seen all this variety fruit and tasted. Every fruit has different size, different shape, different color and different taste. So fruits are very good for your health. So please eat fruits. You should be eating all the different varieties of things for your good health. So children, see that you are completing all this list and some more fruits and vegetables and everything also. It will help you to become strong. And pomegranate, have you seen pomegranate? Once you remove, there are so many seeds inside, lovely red color seeds. So pomegranate is now reddish color, reddish brown color. Pineapple, it has lot of thorns outside, shiny things outside, but when you cut it, it's lovely yellow color and it is very tasty and sweet. So children, when you are eating, you should eat the different type of cereals, the different type of vegetables and the different kind of spices to make your food healthy, tasty and smell good, and different kinds of fruits also to make you very healthy and strong. So children, today we are learning about the different kinds of things which you are about to eat. Yes or no? Now some more things are there which is left. So have you seen a sugarcane plant? Yes, you are eating the stem part of the sugarcane. That is very important. Coffee plant, it will be having small seeds. That is how the coffee is made. Tea plant, we drink the tea by using the tea leaves. That is what is taken inside. So children, we get sugar, coffee and tea also from some plants. So this is what we have done today. We are learning about plants give us food. Plants give us so many different kinds of food, children. So children, go through all the pictures, all the names of the fruits, vegetables, cereals, spices and the fruits, and all the different things and names you learn, where it is growing, which part are you eating. Please try to understand that and answer the questions at the end of the lesson. So children, eat all this as much as possible, all the varieties, and try to stay healthy and happy. Thank you.